In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin issues in GitHub. Pinning an issue is a simple way to keep important conversations, bugs, or announcements right at the top of your issue list so your team sees them immediately. It's great for onboarding notes, release blockers, or anything you don't want to get buried. You'll need to be signed in and have the right permissions on the repository, typically write access or higher. Let's begin by opening GitHub in your browser and navigating to the repository where you want to manage issues. Make sure you're on the main page of that repository so you can see the familiar tabs across the top. Next, click the Issues tab. This takes you to the list of open issues for the project. If your list is long, remember you can use filters or the search bar to quickly find exactly what you're looking for. But for this walkthrough, we'll just pick one directly from the list. Now, open the issue you want to pin. For example, I'll click the issue titled Sub-Zero Wins. Opening the issue brings you into the detailed view where you can see the conversation, labels, assignees, and other metadata. On the right-hand sidebar of the issue page, look for the option that says Pin Issue. Click Pin Issue. GitHub will immediately pin that conversation to the top of your Issues tab. You might see a quick confirmation message, and if you navigate back to the Issues list, you'll notice a dedicated pinned section at the top, making the issue highly visible to everyone with access. A quick tip: there's a limit to how many issues a repository can pin at once. If the button is disabled or you get an error, you may have reached that limit or you might not have sufficient permissions. In that case, check with a maintainer. If you later decide the issue no longer needs to be highlighted, you can unpin it just as easily. Return to the same issue page and, in the same right-hand sidebar, click Unpin Issue. The issue will drop out of the pinned section and return to its normal place in the list. There's no impact on the conversation itself. Unpinning only changes its visibility at the top of the list. And that's it. You've opened your repository, gone to the Issues tab, selected the issue you care about, pinned it for visibility, and unpinned it when it was no longer a priority.